In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Drive sorry you can't view or download error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Google Drive has this error when it experiences a sudden surge in traffic. Google enforces a strict 24-hour bandwidth quota per file to prevent abuse and server strain. And when too many users download or stream the same asset simultaneously, the file locks down. So all you want to do is open the shared Google Drive link that is throwing up the error code. And then all you want to go ahead and do is look at the top URL address bar and then locate the text string that reads /view and replace it entirely with /edit, then hit enter. If the web layout updates to a preview configuration page, look at the top action header and click the add star icon next to the name file. Now navigate to your own personal workspace, click on the starred file from the menu layout, right click the locked asset, select organize, and then add shortcut, then choose my drive, and then that's it. You'll be in a much better position, and then you'll be able to download it. And then you're going to be able to make a copy of it like so, and then that's it. For after you make a copy, you're then going to be able to view it or download it however you want, nice and cleanly. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.